Good morning to all of you.
I am Janvi.
I am Zia.
I am Disha.
And I am Harvi.
We are here to represent our project. We made LPG gas detecting system.
This detects the LPG gas and prevent accident.
In this project, we use exhaust fan, relay module, MQ gas sensor, Arduino Uno, servo motor, etc. We have used Arduino Uno in this project to control the system, exhaust fan to take out the gas from the kitchen, relay module to control the activation of the exhaust fan.
Let's see that how it works. First of all, you can see that the regulator is on when gas is not leaking, and the exhaust fan is also off. And when the sensor will sense that LPG gas is getting leak, it will send the signal to the Arduino, and the Arduino will send the signal to the servo motor. Then the servo motor will turn off the regulator automatically, and the exhaust fan will start to take out the gas out of the kitchen.
Benefits of our project are it is very cost effective and it consumes very less power.
It enhances the safety by providing early detection. We hope that you like our presentation.
Thank you.